Hey people, so this is something that I've learned in life, and I really feel I have to, record it and keep it in, you know, recorded form. That if you have a talent, one should necessarily pursue it. Like in terms of many people, yeah, we let a lifetime go past before we actually get down to doing the things that we've been really good at. So, and the funny thing is, if you really put your heart and soul into something, you will succeed. I mean, it's almost like a metaphysical law. So I mean, hats off to the people who can, the ones who have to pursue their acting dreams. They land in Bombay, in Mumbai, to just start from scratch. I mean, that very act, it's a act of bravery, right? I mean, think so. And like they say, the universe, I mean, fortune favors the brave. So with regard to even a certain talent that you might have, in the starting it might seem tough, yeah, but keep at it and you will reach there, you will get there. It is law, it is a law. So no, I had set up my channel with the sole intent of distributing such gyan. I mean, like, really, these are things that common sense, yeah, it's anything but common these days. So anyway, this video is getting to be too long, but on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.